Hello everyone, this is Teacher J, Excel in PSLE Math, question 22. Study the patterns formed by black and white tiles below and answer the following questions. We can see different patterns, pattern 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe there is a 5, and using the series of patterns above, complete the table below. Total number of tiles used equals the number of black tiles plus number of white tiles. So for pattern 5, it's not shown in the figure. The total number of tiles is 36 and black tiles is 15. So number of white tiles equals 36 minus 15. The answer is 21. So part A, quite easy. 21. And for part B, find the total number of tiles in pattern 110. You may see total number of tiles here. Actually, they are perfect squares. Like 4 equals 2 to the power of 2, 9, 3 to the power of 2, 16, 4 to the power of 2, and so on. And for pattern 5, 6 to the power of 2. So for total number of tiles, actually is pattern number plus 1. Then find the square of the result. So pattern 110. 110 plus 1 equals 111. And 111 to the power of 2. We use the calculator to do 111 squared 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. 12,321 tiles. Okay, this is the answer to part B. And come to, this is part B, alright? And part C, in which pattern will there be 9,313? We can see black tiles like pattern 5. 15 equals 3 times 5. The pattern number times 3. And for white tiles, not that easy to see the clue. So we write number of black tiles 3 times pattern number. And number of white tiles total minus number of black. So if we let x be the pattern number, that has 9,313 white tiles. Then total will be x plus 1 squared, and number of black will be 3x, and white 9,313. We found an equation and to solve the question. Remove the bracket, x squared plus 2x plus 1 minus 3x equals 9313, and x squared minus x plus 2 minus 3, so minus 1, and 9313 minus 1 plus 1, shifting to the right side, minus 1. X squared minus x equals 9312. Okay, that means x times x minus 1 factorization equals 9312. Okay, we know that for number x and the number x minus 1, they're just like adjacent, or we call it consecutive. So we can use a calculator to roughly find the square root of 9312. We may have 96 point something. Okay, then we got from the result in the calculator, we know that 96 times 97 equals 9312. You may check the result. 96 times 97. All right, correct one. So x equals 97. So the pattern number is 97. And the answer, pattern 97. Okay. The answer, part A, 21 in the table, and part B, 12,321 tiles, and part C, pattern 97. And you may go through the question again. Okay, thanks for watching this video.